This is a short video on how to schedule your PPC campaigns. My name is Seb and I'm the founder of Retail-Outsource. So let me share my screen. The first thing that you have to do is to go to Campaign Manager, and from here you have to select the campaign that you want to schedule. In this case, I'm going to select the second campaign, and the next thing that you have to do is to click on budget rules. Okay. And you can see there is an add budget rule over here. Click on that and make sure that you name something that you can identify, because you can create a lot of other budget rule as well. So it's easy if you can name it correctly. And also just want to put some notes as well. Before doing any scheduling or departing, make sure that you have gone through all the data, like, go to business reports, download the sales report, see the pattern, which week, which day it's selling below, if there is any specific time frame that your product sells well. So you have to go through a lot of data and make sure that you are, you know exactly what you're doing, which time frame and day sells well for your brand. So I'm just gonna put one, and the type, you have to make sure that you select scheduled. You can also select based on performance. I will make a different video for that. So we're only going to focus on schedule today. And the date range, you have to select custom date range and to put a start and end date range. And then recurrence, you can select weekly, and then select the dates that you are getting more sales, basically. So, and then hours of the day, click on choose a start time and end time, and then select again the time frame that you're selling most. In this case, it was 9 a.m. till 10 p.m. and how much budget you want to increase for that campaign. So in this case, I'm going to put 12, and it's going to stack up with the current budget that you have. So it will show you and how much it's going to increase during those time period. And then click on add budget rule. So that will make it active. When I say active, it will be active, but it will be only work on during this scheduled days and time that you have selected. Yeah, this is a short video. Let me know if you have any questions or doubts. Thank you.